Did you know that sometimes your closest friend might be planning your death? Outside Lord Riptor's tent, Gitro waited for his captain and childhood friend Dwarweath. What are our orders? He asked as they walked together. Gather 7 soldiers and my sister, then prepare for a raid on the humans. Druith growled with disgust in his voice. This task was beneath a warrior like him. Gitro placed his hand on his friend's shoulder and said in a cheerful but deadly voice, "His day will come." An evil, twisted smile spread across Dwarweath's face as he looked at his lieutenant and nodded. Gitro thought he understood, but Dwarweath knew the truth. His lieutenant and sister were planning to kill him after he murdered their parents so they could become king and queen. Like he would allow that to happen. Dwarweath laughed cynically, staring at Gitro, who nervously joined in. When Dwarweath stopped laughing, he asked why Gitro seemed so nervous. They were only hurting humans after all. "We leave in 5 minutes," Dwarweath commanded, as his lieutenant hurried to follow orders.